Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see about an important emergency drug that every doctor must know, and this drug is adrenaline. In today's video we are going to see how the adrenaline works, what are the uses of adrenaline and what are the side effects of adrenaline. So friends, this video is very important. You see this video till the end, and if you have come for the first time on this channel, then do subscribe this channel for more such clinical videos. So friends, let's start the video. Now we are going to see what is adrenaline. Though we know that adrenaline is a drug, but adrenaline is also present in the body as a hormone. So this is a endogenous catecholamine, that is, it is a hormone that acts on the adrenergic system. Second, it is secreted by the adrenal medulla. On the top of the kidneys, there are pyramid-shaped glands that are called as adrenal glands, and this adrenaline is secreted from these adrenal glands. Third, it is a potent alpha and beta adrenergic agonist. Alpha and beta, these are the adrenergic receptors, and adrenaline is a potent agonist of this receptor, that it acts on these alpha and beta receptors. Now, what is the mechanism of action of adrenaline? So first, it acts on the alpha-1 receptors. It is a agonist of alpha-1 receptors, and here it causes vasoconstriction, increase in the blood pressure and decrease in the edema. Then it also acts on the beta-1 receptors, and due to which it causes increase in the heart rate and also increase in the contractility of the heart. Apart from that, it also acts on the beta-2 receptors, and due to this, it acts as a bronchodilator. It causes bronchodilation and also mast cell stabilization. So this action of beta-2 is especially useful during anaphylaxis. So now, how this drug is available in the market? This drug is available commonly as a 1 ml ampule, and in this 1 ml, the amount of drug present is 1 milligram. That is, the concentration of drug here is 1:1000. Then this drug is also available as a pre-filled syringe as a auto injector, and the concentration of drug here is 0.3 milligram. This auto injector may not be available in India, but it is commonly available in the Western countries. And thirdly, it is available as a mixture with local anesthetic. Here you can see there is lignocaine and adrenaline. So lignocaine here is 2% and adrenaline here is in the concentration of 1:2 lakh. So in this way, this adrenaline is commonly available in the market. Now we are going to see what are the uses of adrenaline. So the first and the most important use of adrenaline is in anaphylaxis or anaphylactic shock. So in anaphylaxis, it is a first line drug or it is the drug of choice. What is the dose here? The dose is 0.5 milligram IM in adults and 0.01 milligram per kg IM in children. Then it is used in the concentration of 1:1000 and the site is mid-anterolateral thigh. And here you can repeat this dose every 5 to 15 minutes in anaphylaxis. So this is the most important use of adrenaline, that is in anaphylaxis. Second use of adrenaline is in cardiac arrest. So it is used during asystole, pulseless VT or ventricular fibrillation. So here also adrenaline is the drug of choice, and the dose is 1 milligram IV, and here the concentration is different, that is 1:10,000. And here also you can repeat this drug every 3 to 5 minutes. So now this is the second most important use of adrenaline, that is in cardiac arrest. Now the third use of adrenaline is in acute severe asthma. So it is used mainly in life-threatening asthma. Here when you have used all the type of drugs, that is the beta-2 stimulants and other drugs, then you can go for adrenaline. So when nebulization fails, then you can use adrenaline. And the dose here is 0.3 to 0.5 milligram IM. Now there are also other uses of adrenaline, like it is used along with local anesthetic as a vasoconstrictor to increase the duration of anesthesia. Then it is also used to control local bleeding, that is from the mucosa or from the skin. For example, during epistaxis, you can put a gauze soaked in adrenaline and then try to control the bleeding. Third, it is also used after post extubation. If post extubation there is laryngeal edema, then you can use nebulization of racemic adrenaline. So in this way, these are the important uses of adrenaline. Now, an important thing while using adrenaline is to use correct route and correct concentration. For example, 1 in 1000 concentration is used in anaphylaxis, and here drug is given intramuscular, and 1 in 10,000 concentration is used in cardiac arrest, and here drug is given intravenous. Friends, I have already made a video on different concentrations of adrenaline and what are their uses. So you can see that video by clicking here, or the link is also given in the description box. Now the side effects of adrenaline. As adrenaline stimulates the sympathetic system, it can cause tachycardia, palpitation, tremors, anxiety, and if a large dose is mistakenly given IV, then it can cause arrhythmias like ventricular fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia, and dangerous rise in the blood pressure and hypertension. So these are the important side effects that you should always remember. So friends, in today's video, we have seen an important drug that is very useful during emergency, that is adrenaline, and every doctor must master this drug. While using this drug, three things are very important, that is correct route, correct dose, and proper timing. So friends, if you find today's video helpful, then give it a like, share with your friends, and if you have come for the first time on this channel, then do subscribe this channel for more such clinical videos. And also tell me in comments on which drug you would like to see different types of videos. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.